Hello everyone, in front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So if you want to use some codes on your tablet, just open Phone Dialer, go to Keypad, and let's start entering over here. The first code that I would like to show you is a pretty short one, *#06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information where you can locate email the second, and also serial number. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use here is *##, 225, ###. And here you've got the whole calendar info. So every event that is stored in your calendar would be displayed right here. Let me go back. Another code that you can use here is *##, 426, *##. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. If you'll tap on more icon, you can enroll advanced view. Well, this is it. And these are all codes that I wanted to share with you. Obviously, if you have any other, smoothly entered the same way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.